Thank you.
Ay, nahulog sa garo na.
Alak delicious. Sasana.
Susiro.
May miso pa.
Tomate. I give you the shiburi. Ay, daw. Chopstick. Nahulog yung isa.
Oh, daddy, chopstick. Oh, daddy. We ordered the hamburger. Pineapple. Thank you, daddy. Thank you, ate. Define daddy. Look at the one order of pineapple juice. Ang laki. The beach. May masarap na restaurant pala dito, everyone. Ang laki sa loob. Bigla ko nagutom, everyone. Nakulangan ako sa pagkain. Parang hindi ko kasi gusto yung breakfast kanina eh. Kaya, actually, mayroon pa namang kainan mamaya. We're celebrating the special day. But, that is exclusive kasi. So, mag-share lang ako ng some cute photos, everyone. And, yeah. Pilipina si ate.
Philippine gin din.
Philippine gin. Dati niya asawa Japanese, Hawaii.
He speak Tagalog?
No.
No. Have you been in Philippines?